G'day and welcome to the episode. I'm Tim James and this is Island Life. In this episode, we're going to try to transfer our pizza oven from our old house that we used to rent when we first got to the island to our new house. So we'll get going with that, but before we do that, let's do the intro. Boop. Alrighty, let's kick this episode off. If you've watched some of my earlier videos, you might remember this house. This is the house that we rented when we first moved to Tablas Island. We don't live here anymore because we've built our new house, but what we haven't done yet is transfer the pizza oven. So we've got a bunch of guys, we've got some bamboo and some rope, and we're going to rig it up and hopefully we'll be able to transport it. It's about 100 meters. So the guys are just doing all the rigging now and hopefully we'll make it work. So let's kick it off. So as you've just seen, the guys are rigging up the bamboo to be able to carry the pizza oven up here. This is where it's going to go. We built this base for it. We can have a quick look at how we built that. And that's how we got to this stage, so let's go back down to the pizza oven and film the actual transfer of the pizza oven to its new home.
자, 대박, 성공! On! Ja, side of it.
So there you have it, all done. Well, not really actually. I just had a chat with my wife and we agree that the dome on the pizza oven's the wrong color. So I'll paint it the same as the front there in the cappuccino after this, and then it'll be done. That'll complete the job. And the other thing that you might, let me just go over here. You might have noticed that thing. I don't even know what to call that. It's a 3-in-1 thing. So we can barbecue on it, we can cook in pots on it, and we can smoke meats on it. It's just something I came up with and it works really, really well. I'm going to do a video on that when we do the next lot of smoking. And in the meantime, I've got to paint the pizza oven again. And that's a wrap. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this episode. If you have enjoyed this episode, please click on the like button, and hitting subscribe will help you find future videos that I post. Take care, and we will see you in the next episode. Bye.